Sure. Racial origin, Scottish. Source, a given name. Sure does not look like a Highland or Gaelic family name. Not many people realize that it is, for, strangely enough, it is not met with at any comparatively modern date with the prefix of either Mac or a. It is the name borne originally by a certain sept of Clan MacKintosh, which later divided into two septs, the first or senior line eventually losing ownership of the lands originally occupied by the organization. The Highland records show that the sixth chief of Clan MacKintosh was named Angus. He had a son named John, whose son was Gilchrist, who in turn had a son named Sure, who was surnamed Corr Flachiach, and this chieftain was the founder of his sept line of Shures, having acquired the lands about Loch-an-ellian just prior to 1400 AD. For several centuries the castle of Loch-an-ellian was the stronghold of his descendants and the branch of the Clan MacKintosh which they led.